Hiya guys, how y'all doing? Hope you all doing well. So this afternoon, I'm going into town. I've got some businesses to sort out, and one of my phones, the screen just went dark, so I have to go fix it up, and then to get some baby food, and also do a bit of home shopping. Got some groceries and toiletries for the house. So thank God, Sarah, my niece, she's at home today. She's off. She just came back from her uncle yesterday. So I've left baby with her while I go into town to sort these things out. Having baby with me is just... Hi guys, I'm already in the supermarket now, trying to buy some protein. Let me see what's this. Goat meat. I'm looking for minced meat. Okay, they've got minced meat over there. So this is my trolley. What I've been buying. I still need to get few things. I'm buying takeaway food. I've bought us takeaway so that we don't have to cook lunch. We can only do dinner later. Just came back from night, Sarah, so I don't think she wants to do any work. And me, I've been taking care of baby. I don't think I want to cook anything, to be honest. I'm getting my long life meal. Long life Hollandaise meal.